Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to make simple hummus. You will need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, a quarter cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 small clove of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Also, have a few tablespoons of ice-cold water on hand. This simple combination creates a truly delicious and authentic hummus. First, drain and rinse your can of chickpeas very well. This step helps remove excess sodium and improves the hummus's texture. Next, peel and roughly chop 1 small garlic clove. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is essential, so aim for about 2 tablespoons. These simple preparations lay the groundwork for a smooth and flavorful hummus. Now add the rinsed chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil into your food processor. Process for about 3 to 5 minutes, scraping down the sides as needed. The key to super creamy hummus is gradually adding 1 to 3 tablespoons of ice-cold water while blending. This emulsifies the ingredients beautifully, creating that signature smooth texture. Once your hummus is perfectly smooth, transfer it to a serving bowl. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, drizzle a little more extra virgin olive oil over the top. A sprinkle of paprika or a few chopped fresh herbs like parsley can also add a lovely touch. Enjoy your delicious, homemade hummus with pita bread, crunchy vegetables, or as a spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.